Hey class, welcome to our new chapter, chapter 2, fractions and ratios. We'll only be working through some of the fractions components throughout this chapter though. Beginning with exercise 2A, understanding fractions. So most of this should be review of last year, but it's okay if it's not. We'll go through it anyway. So today we are only looking at proper fractions. Proper fractions are those that have a numerical value of less than 1. Okay, so what that means is that they're not actually a whole number. Okay, so you're looking at parts of a pizza, not more than one pizza. The numerator in proper fractions is always smaller than denominators. So the numerator is the number up the top, and the denominator, think D for down, denominator D down. Okay, so the denominator's on the bottom and the numerator's up top. So that's how we remember which is which. The numerator shows how many parts we have, and the denominator shows how many parts there are in total. We're going to try a few examples. They are all visual, which is nice. And then you guys will attempt the work on your own. So let's jump in. We're going to literally just say which fraction of the shape is shaded. So we're not doing anything else with it today. We are just going to count how many triangles are filled in. And we've got 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Out of a total of 4 parts. And that's it. We have 2/4 is how we read this. All right, 2/4 of our shape are shaded. We can simplify that, but we will worry about that in a later exercise. Another shape has just popped up. We've got one piece colored in. So 1 goes in the numerator. Out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices. So if this is a slice of pizza and I ate one slice of the whole pizza, okay, I've eaten 1/8 of the pizza. 1/8. Oh. Okay. And last example. Okay, here again, I've got just one piece colored in. Out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles total. So if this was an oddly shaped pizza, I would have eaten 1/6 of it. Okay, so usually when we read fractions, we will use a number, so 5th or 6th or 8th or 7th. Oh, that's a funny looking V. Okay, 5th, 7th, 8th, we've got there 9th, 10th, and so on and so forth. So fractions we read with the TH sound on the end. The exceptions to this are half, which is 1/2, third, like coming third in a race, and quarters. Okay. So those are the exceptions to the naming. And other than that, you don't really need to know how to read the fractions. It does help, but the important thing from today's lesson is that you'll notice that the numerators, so the numbers up top, are smaller than the denominators. So 2 is smaller than 4, 1 is smaller than 8, 1 is smaller than 6. So these are all proper fractions. Okay, they're all proper fractions. And that's all for today's lesson. As always, if you guys have any questions, get in touch and I will respond as soon as I can. But otherwise, good luck with the work.